Tired of losing precious Fnf Sprite quality and wasting time when bringing those sprites into your Adobe Animate Fnf creations? Let's get right in it. First, open your Fnf project in Adobe Animate and select the sprite you want to save. Ensure the sprite is properly imported and positioned on the stage. This step is important for accurate exporting. Next, locate the sprite in your library panel. This is where all your project assets are stored. You may need to scroll to find it. Now, right-click on the sprite's name in the library. A context menu will appear with several options. We're looking to export this one. Within this menu, find the export option. Click to open the desired export menu. Here's where the magic happens. In the export settings, you will find different formats to choose from like PNG or JPG. Select PNG and ensure the quality setting in the export options set to its highest value for maximum clarity. Do not choose optimize or you'll degrade the image. After you set your settings, click the export button. Choose a destination folder on your computer and give your sprite a name. Finally, open the exported PNG to see the high-quality results. From there, you can reuse your Fnf sprites in your projects. Now, you can save sprites without trouble.